Google Keep is something you may want to have handy whenever you want to note down something. And to keep it handy, what you can also do is add in a Google Keep extension in Chromium-based browsers. So to do that, you need to go around onto chrome.google.com/webstore and you get to this particular page. And if you were to go around over here and type in Google Keep and press enter right here, then what happens is that Google Keep related extensions pop up right here. Like you can see that there is the Google Keep Chrome extension and there's Google Keep full screen edit and so forth, as you can see right here. Let me just go around onto the first one right here, which says Google Keep Chrome extension, and click on it and click on add to Chrome right here. So let's see what we have when we add down the extension. So you can see that the Google Keep extension got added in right here. And once we go around over here, we can pin up the Google Keep extension over here. So now you can see that directly from the extension, no matter which space you are in, you can go around and create a blank note right here. You can go around and go to Keep as well by accessing go to Keep right here. And you can go around over here and see that this is what you have. So that is how you can go around and work around. You can see that whenever you're on this page, it is active. But if I were to go around onto other page, then you can see that you can let's say remove this from Chrome or unpin right here, but it says can't read or change the site's data. So depending on the data, different site it changes as well. So let me just go around and go to let's say Wikipedia right here. So let's just go around onto a page, onto English right here. So let's just go around onto Google Keep right here. You can see that immediately I can go around and then keep Wikipedia page as a reference right here and create out the note right here, and it saves out the note just like this, and you can view that in Keep right here. So this is how you can immediately get out the notes as well. You can go around over here onto let's say Keep right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So that is how you can work around with Google Keep extension to quickly have access to notes in Keep. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.